Hey guys, we're back. And, unbox, stands up. Now we're just plugging in the charging port. There's the controllers. King playing turbo dismount. Box. This. So, controllers. Check. Alright, well,
I want to try the couch.
when this is all done, we'll boot it up and play Miles Morales.
Hey, do you want to see one of the things in this game? It's called the couch.
Alright, that's fine. But, hey, the developers of that game, if you're watching, please don't sue us. He just looks like him.
Yeah, I just
And-
like this game.
Looks like, oh, they're charging. Yeah. Alright.
Oh, you stink.
Hey, I'm recording right. Alright, well, there's that. There's the extra cable thing. What's that extra cable thing for?
Ow.
Charging the controllers without the
Super Cat is dead.
stand.
Super Cat is dead.
So that can also work as a stand.
What do you mean?
The charging port.
Are the controllers standing on it?
Yeah.
Then yes.
Oh, cool. Alright, well, this one was shorter, but
I want to try the wrecking ball.
maybe we can. I don't know. What are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna put it all away, bud.
All the Spock stuff away?
Yeah.
Alright, well, that's gonna be boring to film, so, well. Bye, guys. I'm gonna put these in a playlist if you need to. Alright, bye.